Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. If you love to drive, you will love this Camaro. It has an unmistakably provoking look with bold lines, muscular haunches, and dual exhaust. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, dual-mode exhaust system, power convertible roof, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, heated steering wheel, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Automobile notes, all of the Camaros we drove had crisp turn-in and linear steering response. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.